Okay, the Dalton clan is getting lathered up with sunscreen. We're here at Rickets Glen State Park, near Wilkes Barre, PA. Land of many beautiful waterfalls. Okay, we're entering from the Lake Rose trailhead. Heading, I can assume, down the trail here. Oh, look at those waterfalls. That's it. Not even close.
Yeah, because we want to go to Vanilla Glen.
Okay, we actually have written instructions here.
Yeah, after about 5 minutes of hiking, you'll come to this trail split. Take the trail to the right.
In a few minutes, we'll see the first waterfall?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. There's some signage there about life, the circle of life. Here's where it's getting steep. And I do think I hear water. Okay, here's a bridge. Okay, let's head down Falls Trail.
You're kidding me. I'm not.
Well, people are swimming today. There's people coming up. They're all wet with bathing suits on. It's like 72 degrees. That's the, it's like the top of the falls, the first falls right up here. Yeah, we can call this trail handicap accessible. Now, this is the first falls we come to. This is the Mohawk Falls. The top of it. Yeah, okay, here's kind of what the trail looks like in spots. So there's definitely some climbing involved here. That's the face of the Mohawk Falls. But I gotta say, kudos to the people who came along here and put all these rocks in place in strategic positions. It's a nice little path here. Okay, I think we're coming up on another set of falls. I can hear them. Oh, cool. Look at those. Wow. Look at that. Oh, look, they do have names on. The names are actually on the falls. It says Oneida right on the other side there. We're in a nice hot summer day. It feels good to wade right in there and get underneath the falls. Not today though, it's a little cool. Okay, these are the Cayuga Falls. My son is on a mission to find a place where he can cross the river. I think he might have found a place. Let's see. Gonna make it across there, Andy? You think? I don't know. Yeah, you probably find a place that's better. Watch that first step, it's a doozy. Wow, this is really high. This has to be about how many feet, would you say? 50, 60 feet at least? What? You think it's 94 foot? I don't know, it could be. Man, this is high. I'm not a good estimator on height. Estimator of height, I should say. What's the name of this one supposed to be, do you remember?
Canoga?
This could be the Canoga one, huh? Canoga Falls. This is amazing. This looks like it zigzags down the cliffside here. A little muddy here. Could be a little slippery too. This way or that way? You want to go into the rocks? Yeah, I think we get. I'm going to walk around real quick here just to see. I think this just goes right to the. Oh, kind of muddy though. Yeah, I want to just go right up here. This is for like a photo opportunity. Oh, wow, how cool is this? Wow, that is beautiful. Wow. It feels so much cooler down here at the base of these falls. It's amazing. I'm going to play leapfrog here and go across these rocks. Looks like my son got across the river. He found his place across the river. My son is trying to make his way back across the river here. Ah, innovative. Makes his own path. Yeah, he still has 3 more rocks to traverse. 1. Oh, take it back. 1. He's still trying to figure it out. May have hit an impasse, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, he's taking the all fours method. Oh, there goes the foot in the water. Man, 1 point off. Now will he go left or will he go right? He's going right. Frank, what do you think? You think he should have taken it? Well, I think he should have taken it left. But all right, well, now he's on the east. Looks like he's going to make it. Nope. I think he's in the home stretch now. And there he is. He's going to add his piece to the cairn. Kind of running out of light here now. It's just past 5 o'clock. So I'm not sure how much further we can go here. Don't want to be walking back in the dark, for sure. It's like waterfall after waterfall. It's an amazing place. The beautiful falls there. I think they are called the Mohawk Falls. I saw a sign up there. Mohican Falls. Mohican Falls. That's what they're called. The local wildlife here. We have a little chipmunk running around down here. Yet another waterfall. That's a pretty good sized one. Goes down pretty far. Another beautiful falls. I just lost track of how many we've seen so far. Wow, yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, this looks like we came upon an area where what they call the waters meet. I thought that area back up there might have been it, but that was just a smaller river. see, we're going to decide what we want to do once we get down here.
Why would it go? It's been 1 hour. Can it take another hour to get
Wait,
there?
it's been 1 hour.
Yeah.
Wait, it's gonna take less time to get there.
It's been 1 hour.
Let's do a little more. Like
Wait, where are we now? Oh, okay, we're there. There's no other way we can move back around. No.
Okay, I don't see the escalator anywhere. Where's it at? Alright, so we are actually here at Waters Meet. The Kitchen River's cut down here. The river we've been following is the Canoga River, I think. I'm not sure. I think we're going to try to go up this way here and then head back over the Highland Trail. Hopefully we'll get there before the sun sets and then back up to our parking lot up there.
So this must be an easy trail.
Yeah, that looks like it would be. It's not climbing or anything. This one looks like it's not quite as long too. But you are climbing uphill the entire time. But there's a number of falls to see there, so I guess we better get started. We got to cross over that bridge right here. And that's the Kitchen River, I believe, up there. That's where we're going to head toward. Alright, we're going to begin our trek back. Nice little area to stop and rest. Waters Meet. Appropriate name. You can see some more beautiful falls here along the Kitchen River. Beautiful. The B. Reynolds Trail. B. Reynolds Falls. Oh, this is neat. Look at this. The zigzag going up here. Wow. Yeah, so as the pressure mounts for us to get home before it gets dark. We're already losing a lot of light here. We have a fair amount to go. Will we make it? Stay tuned. We'll see. Wow, look at that area there. And across the bridge here. What's neat about this place is they have all these areas where you can just walk. You get a beautiful shot, a beautiful view of the waterfalls. What a beautiful area here. I can't stop just taking the camera out and hitting the record button. There's so many areas. Look at that. Wow. Look farther up there. Magnificent. There's the bridge is up there too. Tell you though, you better bring your legs when you come here. There's quite a bit of climbing, up and down. In our case, down and up. You're going downhill to get uphill. It's fine with me. Need a little spring here to walk through. Put that on film. Put that on. I gotta record that. Here you have sweat pouring off me, huffing, and you're dancing up the trails. Oh, jeez. Another section of strategically placed stone slabs. Oh, I messed that one up. Ooh, look at that. Look, we had a big tree mishap here. Had to cut the tree up just to clear the path. Wow. Okay. You want to put the camera away for this climb. Yeah, wow, look at that. These are the stairs we've been having to climb, folks. Numerous sets of stairs just like this. Some even a lot skinnier and even steeper. Like I said, you better bring your legs along with you when you come here. Alrighty. The very top of the falls here. I get the impression that it's leveling out here now, so maybe the toughest of the climbs behind us. Don't say that. Let's see if I can get it right this time. More strategically placed stone slabs. Another beautiful set of falls here. Going up the Kitchen River. Wow. Place just never stops giving. Definitely taking the shortcut to the Highland Trail. Alright. Hey, the Highland Trail. There it is. We want to go west. The Lake Rose Ganoga area. Okay, we're now on the Highland Trail, heading back to our parking lot. Not sure really how far it is. It might be another half mile to a mile for all I know. But it looks like it's a pretty easy walk. So it looks like we'll make it back before dark. Ooh, look at this. It's called Midway Crevasse. Or Crevice. I'm actually using my phone now because the Osmo Pocket battery died.